friends, welcome to today's video. So today's question is, if the roots of the equation a into b minus c x square plus b into c minus a x plus c into a minus b is equal to 0 are equal, then a, b, c are in AP, arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression, cannot be determined. So this is a question to find out whether A, B and C, they are in arithmetic progression, geometric progression or harmonic progression. An equation is given. So A, B and C comes in this equation. Then what is the given statement? The roots of the equation are equal. If the roots of any equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are equal, what does it mean? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So that is the meaning. If the roots of an equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are equal, then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This is b, this is a and this is c. So similarly in this equation also b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. So what is b here? B is the term coming with x. So this is the b here, b into c minus a. So b square means b square c minus a the whole square minus 4ac. What is a? A will be a into b minus c. X squares, the term coming with x square is a. Ax square plus bx plus c. So a is a into b minus c. So a into b minus c. And what is c? C here is the constant. So c into a minus b. Okay, we are just comparing with the general expression. General expression is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here b will be b into c minus a, the term coming with x, and a will be a into b minus c, the term coming with x square, and c will be the constant c into a minus b. So we are writing the equation b square into c minus a the whole square, b square into c minus a the whole square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now just you have to solve this. So what you will be getting? B square into c minus a the whole square will be c square minus 2ac plus a square minus 4ac into b minus c into a minus b. So multiplying inside, b square c square minus 2ac b square plus a square b square minus 4a square bc plus 4ac b square plus 4a square c square minus 4a b c square is equal to 0. Now we are having here minus 2ac b square and plus 4ac b square. So that will be equal to b square c square plus 2ac b square. We are just trying to form a meaningful expression. Plus a square b square minus, so in these two terms what you will be getting? ABC you can take it as common. So before that I am writing here 4a square c square. Okay, so 4a square c square. And from these two terms you can take 4abc common, minus 4abc common. So taking minus 4abc you will be getting a plus c is equal to 0. These three terms what is common? These three terms you can take b square common. So b square into c square plus 2ac plus a square plus 4a square c square minus 4abc into a plus c is equal to 0. So again you will be getting b square into c plus a the whole square. C square plus 2ac plus a square is c plus a the whole square plus 4a square c square minus 4abc into a plus c is equal to 0. So now comes the interesting thing. So what is this expression? Does it have similarity with any of your familiar expressions? So your mind should fastly work actually. So b square into c plus a the whole square plus 4a square c square minus 4abc into a plus c is equal to 0. So this is in the form of a square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to 0, isn't it? So what is a and b? So a will be actually b into c plus a and b will be minus 2ac. The whole square is equal to 0. So how you got this? Here you can see if a is b into c plus a, then a square is correct. B square into c plus a the whole square. And b is equal to 2ac. So 2ac the whole square is 4a square c square minus 2ab. 2ab will be 2 into 2ac into 2b into c plus a. Not 2b, 2 into 2ab will be equal to 2 into 2ac into b into c plus a, which will be giving you 4abc into c plus a. So that is written here. So this expression you can write in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to 0, where a is equal to b into c plus a, b is equal to 2ac. So this expression will be equivalent to a minus b the whole square. So b into c plus a minus 2ac the whole square. So that is the key here. You should be able to identify this expression in the format of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So identify what is a, what is b. So now what you will be getting? b into c plus a minus 2ac is equal to 0. The whole square, the whole square is equal to 0. So that means b into c plus a minus 2ac is also equal to 0. So you will be getting b into c plus a is equal to 2ac. So b is equal to 2ac divided by c plus a. So what is this format? If b is equal to 2ac into c plus a, it implies that a, b and c are in harmonic progression. So this you have to know. What is arithmetic progression, what is geometric progression, and what is arithmetic progression. So what is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression means, what is the meaning? A, b and c will be having constant difference. b minus a should be equal to c minus b. In that format only it will come. So that means 2b is equal to c plus a. This is the format. 2b is equal to c plus a means a, b and c are in arithmetic progression. Now b square is equal to ac implies that a, b, c are in geometric progression. How does it come? Because we know that a, b, c are in geometric progression means b by a should be equal to c by b. This is the format. There should be a constant multiple. My example is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So here 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16 means all these terms are in geometric progression. So b by a should be equal to c by b. So we will be getting b square is equal to ac. Then harmonic progression means 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c, 1 by d all should be in arithmetic progression. So it will be giving like a, b, c, d are in harmonic progression. If 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c, 1 by d are in arithmetic progression means a, b, c, d are in harmonic progression. So 1 by b minus 1 by a will be equal to 1 by c minus 1 by b, because 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c, 1 by d are in arithmetic progression. So that there should be a constant difference between the consecutive terms. So 1 by b minus 1 by a should be equal to 1 by c minus 1 by b. There should be a constant difference. So what you will be getting? 2 by b is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c. Or you will be getting like 2ac divided by a plus c is equal to b. So this implies that if 2ac divided by a plus c is equal to b, it implies that a, b and c are in harmonic progression. So these are the conditions. You have to be very thorough with these conditions to do these kind of questions, because even if you are getting a meaningful expression, you cannot deduct if these are in AP, HP or GP if you don't know these relations. 2b is equal to a plus c implies a, b and c are in arithmetic progression. B square is equal to AC implies a, b, c are in geometric progression. 2ac divided by a plus c is equal to b implies a, b and c are in harmonic progression. Even if you forget, if you know what is AP, HP and GP means, you can easily derive all these three expressions. So be very thorough with these expressions. So here we got 2ac divided by a plus c is equal to b, which implies a, b and c are in harmonic progression. So we got our answer here. Here C is our answer. Now second question, if the roots of the equation a square plus b square x square minus 2b into a plus c x plus b square plus c square is equal to 0 are equal, then a, b, c are in AP, GP, HP cannot be determined. Okay, so here it's the same kind of question. Our expression is a square into b square x square minus 2b into a plus c into x plus b square plus c square is equal to 0. Compare this with the standard expression ax square plus bx plus z is equal to 0. So this implies A is equal to A square plus B square. Then B is equal to minus 2B into A plus C, and C is equal to B square plus C square. So roots are equal. Roots are equal means what is the meaning? B square minus 4AC is equal to 0 in the standard expression. So you will be getting here minus 2B into A plus C. So that is the whole square minus 4AC. So 4 into A square plus B square into B square plus C square is equal to 0. So you will be getting 4B square into A plus C the whole square minus 4A square B square minus 4A square C square minus 4B raised to 4 minus 4B square C square is equal to 0. Then multiply inside. So 4A square B square plus 8B square AC plus 4B square C square minus 4A square B square minus 4A square C square minus 4B raised to 4 minus 4B square C square is equal to 0. If you go on practicing, you can do this very easily. Practice is the key. So you will be able to do this very fast. So here minus 4A square B square plus 4A square B square. Any other expression to be cancelled out? Minus 4B square C square plus 4B square C square. So what you will be getting? 8B square AC minus 4A square C square minus 4B raised to 4 is equal to 0. So this is in the format of same A square minus 2AB plus B square is equal to 0. A minus will come here. That is the only difference. So what is A and B? A will be 2B. 2B square. 2B square the whole square is equal to 4B raised to 4, and B should be equal to 2AC. So you check it whether it is correct or not. 2B the whole square is equal to 4B raised to 4. 2AC the whole square is equal to 4A square C square, and 2AB is equal to 2B square into 2AC into 2. So which will be giving you 8B square AC. So that is correct. So this equation can be written as minus of 2 into B square minus 2AC the whole square is equal to 0, which gives you 2B square is equal to 2AC. So B square is equal to 2AC. So what does it mean? If B square is equal to 2AC, A, B and C are in geometric progression. So here B will be your answer. It takes some time, but if you are practicing means you can do it easily. It's a very simple question, just it takes a little time. So you simplify the expressions very fastly and you will be easily able to derive. So once you get this form, you should be able to identify what is A, B, and you have to write in a meaningful way. A square minus 2AB plus B square is equal to 0, or A square plus 2AB plus B square is equal to 0. In some way it will come. So you have to express it and then derive a form like this. So from there you will be getting A, B, C are in AP, GP or HP. Thank you for watching.